Ty, with the communication room and the main bedroom, I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah, anytime you get a win, it's gonna give you a little
Boost.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna need it.
Last week, you all renovated the main bedroom and guest room, and we had a tie. Josh and Shawnee got their first win for the main bedroom, and Carrie and David earned half the win for the guest bedroom.
It was like you win and you lose all at the same time.
Which room in the house, besides the kitchen, which we already did, adds the most value?
Bathrooms.
That's right. The bathrooms, they're so important. You guys, the judges, are going to be paying a lot of attention, especially to the main ensuite. So we got to give it some love.
You'll also be redesigning the bathroom downstairs. So 2 bathrooms.
There's 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, gotta be done in the same day.
Yeah, I want to do a lot, as usual.
Yeah, as usual.
You have 5 days this time to renovate both bathrooms. At the end of this challenge, the winner is going to get the additional bonus cash of $4,000. Yes.
Money.
This is a big one to win, because in bathrooms, we don't want to be number 2.
I'm sorry that you're on her team.
Sure not.
Yeah. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Well, the battle begins right now.
Get out there, go win it.
So, that guest bath, I mean, we can't really move all that much. I'm thinking all the wall, the tub, all goes away. The main bathroom.
It's gotta be really
Both.
pretty.
Yeah.
And it's gotta raise the value, and pretty doesn't always necessarily raise the value.
Yeah. So
Guys,
Hey.
how about them bathrooms?
Yeah, right.
How about that?
So, in the guest bath, there's your tub.
And then there's a
This
dead
is-
body.
This is the dead body that goes
Yeah.
that way, yeah.
The only issue I have with this tub, while it's adding value, is there's nothing sexy about a tub.
Freestanding tub, do we bring in a freestanding tub maybe?
But then would you still do a shower? Ooh, what about a rain shower head?
Let's do that.
What?
Yeah.
Let's transform our downstairs bathroom by removing the closet in the adjoining guest room to create more space. We'll add a sleek dark tiled floor that runs up the wall and transitions to a light gray.
Our freestanding tub with a rain shower head will be a perfect mix of form and function. We'll finish the room with a shiplap wall and a vessel trough sink.
Upstairs, we've already moved our main bedroom closet into the bathroom. Let's add shiplap to the wall and use subway tiles to the shower to give it a nice contrast.
We think a custom countertop with a double sink will really add value.
This week, we're budgeting $19,000.
Everything's gotta be tight,
Yes.
sweet, smart,
Yep.
and gorgeous.
Yes.
Like us.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You really want to know? You like that?
Yeah.
Being the salvage person I am,
She does love
I
the salve. Yes.
hoarded the old beams that were in the house before. They were the old ones that when we tore everything out, we saved them because we're like, hey, we can use
And they're
these
cool
later.
looking.
Very cool.
They're very cool looking beams.
So I decided to add another project to David's plate. You're welcome. I want you to build me a vanity out of this. It's gonna be a custom vanity made out of cedar post. We're gonna put a granite top on it with a vessel trough, and it's gonna be real clean, but bringing some of that organic element to a pretty modern bathroom.
This piece is almost 11 feet. We're gonna need more than this. Do we have more?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Well, I mean, I just saw this outside by our pot. I thought I'd make a vanity. I didn't look for, like, more.
We're gonna need more than this. Let's go see if we got it. Or if not, you're just wasting your time. Downstairs, we ordered granite for our open shelf vanity. Oh man, this rock is not light.
The granite
The
is
granite looks
amazing.
I mean, it's just beautiful.
You up to your wall there? Dude,
What you do?
this is too small.
So we have this beautiful vanity that we made it to regular cabinet vanity specs. We went to place the granite countertop on it, and it was 3 inches short.
So this should have been 25 and a half, actually. Yeah. It's not like we can get another piece of granite. This is it.
There's nothing like hearing David scream.
I didn't scream.
Yeah, you did. I heard you from upstairs.
I just sighed loudly.
Why are you making that noise?
Our granite.
No reason.
Our granite is too shallow. It's not deep enough.
Why is it too shallow?
I don't know. You want to call the granite people and ask them?
Okay, wonderful.
It's like we just keep getting hit left and right.
Well,
Let's go carry this heavy sucker back out of here.
we're getting our workout in today, buddy.
Is it lunchtime yet?
Today is go, go, go.
I like when I leave to go order stuff and you build
Get
the
things
wall for
done.
me.
Our tile is going in both bathrooms. We're subbing out this job because we just don't have time to do it all ourselves. Sweet. That's gonna look good.
Now we just have to do everything else on our list.
Good job.
Time's flying by. As soon as we get this painted, we're gonna move the vanity in here, the tub in.
Faucets. I'm really worried. This is the first time I'm like super, like, this may not happen.
All right, good to see everybody.
They're a little slower than normal.
Right?
Hi, guys.
Well, you guys already look defeated.
Okay, guys, so your bathrooms are done. Carrie, David, how are you guys feeling?
I'm feeling good that David didn't kill me, so that's a good thing.
I'm feeling pretty good that Carrie didn't kill me.
Yeah.
I know you were expecting to see Mike and Mina right here today, but there's been a change in plans. So I'm gonna let Mina explain.
Mina?
Hey guys, so I know you were expecting me to be with you today judging your bathrooms, but I've gotten held up in Indy working on my show, so I'm gonna be delayed a couple days. So while you were waiting, you know, the bonus room that you guys have downstairs, I really want you to tackle that. And I know this is super short notice, so what we're gonna do is give you $2,000 additional dollars to make that space really something interesting. So surprise us, have fun with it, and most importantly, add value, okay? So good luck, and I'll see you guys in a couple days.
Okay, so our judges have been delayed, and boy, are you lucky, because you can apply this extra time to your bathrooms. You'll also have an extra $2,000 and 2 days to do the bonus room. In other words, why do 2 rooms when you can do 3?
Yeah. I'm sure you guys probably just wanted to end at this point.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, you're the gift that keeps giving.
What are you waiting for? Get busy! Let's go!
Here we are again.
Bonus room.
Just when I think they have no more energy left, no more design ideas left, we hit them with a bonus room.
Yeah, how about that?
How about that?
Killing me.
Oh,
I'm just wondering if we don't just make it a really nice looking bedroom.
it's $2,000. Let's decorate the heck out of this room. Let's make it look like the bed is swinging, even though technically it's not.
You're able here to do something a little bit more than you would in your everyday because it's an escape. So here's what I'm worried about. There's no longer a closet, and I didn't have it in my budget now to get the wardrobe. So I got a dresser, and my concern is the dresser's not gonna fit.
They gave us $2,000 to do this room. We haven't spent $1,000.
Here we have.
No, we haven't.
You just need to be patient and help me see if it's going to work because this is where we're at now.
Brought this up. We're just screwed on the wardrobe.
David,
Oh, what?
I'm gonna go get the stuff and I
Go,
want you to
go,
help
go,
me.
go.
Okay, well, you can't get frustrated. This is just
Oh,
much of the deal as the
You
all
just
the
got
rest.
frustrated, and yes, I can get frustrated.
No. And David gets very frustrated with me.
Because you can't make a dadgum decision.